Alright, I had a crack in the fender of this 2001 Suzuki Quadrunner ATV, and I could fix it the normal way with Bondo, or I could do it another way, which I already made a repair on the other fender that was similar, with this two-part epoxy. I don't want to say the brand name, but you can get this at your hardware store. Just make sure you get the waterproof kind. And sometimes you can even get it in different colors. I got this blue, which almost matches this Lagoon. But if I was worried about the color of this repair, I would just get some uh, this color Sharpie and just fill it in. No big deal. But this is a quick, permanent fix. The other fender I repaired like in, wow, probably 2012, and it's still holding to this day. So, and it's been through a lot of abuse. So there you go. And I just put on rubber gloves and I've pressed it in really tight. The tighter you get it formed, the harder it's going to set in there. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe.